Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the post of Deputy Director in Financial Forensic Audit in the Serious Fraud Investigation Office, which is located in Lodi Road. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office, Office of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, located in Lodi Road, New Delhi, has notified for the post of Deputy Director Forensic Audit in the office. And there is one post which is located either in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai or Hyderabad, and the pay level would be level 11. In 67,700 would be the basic till 2,08,700. One number of vacancy in the level 11 pay matrix 67,700 to 2,88,700. In the general central services group A, gazetted non-ministerial. The eligibility conditions are officers from the central government or state government or union territories administration or public sector undertaking or statutory or autonomous organization holding an analogous post on the regular basis in the parent cadre or department, or with 5 years service in the grade rendered after appointment thereto on a regular basis in level 10 in the pay matrix rupees 56,100 to 1,77,500 or equivalent in the parent cadre or department. Along with that, possessing the following educational qualification and experience. What are those? Chartered accountant or cost and management accountant or company secretary or chartered financial analyst or postgraduate diploma in management in finance discipline or masters in business administration in finance or masters of business economics or master in commerce or bachelor in law. What is the requirement? 3 years experience in audit or forensic audit from any government listed private organization. The job description is also given in the advertisement itself, along with the biodata and curriculum vitae which has to be sent. Now what are the documents which you have to send? There is again 20% in the basic which will be given in the basic along with the basic of 67,700 plus 20% of the basic is also given will also be added in the vacancy itself. And what are the documents and all those things? For that you have to special security allowance of 20% in basic pay would also be given along with your basic pay, DA, HRA and other things. You have to visit the website sfio.nic.in or www.mca.gov.in. In this, the last date is 17th of August 2021 and you have to send your application along with the other documents which are mentioned in the advertisement and also on the website before the due date, that is 17th of August 2021, to the Director Serious Fraud Investigation Office, 2nd floor, Pandit Deen Dayal Antyodaya Bhavan, CGO Complex, Lodi Road, New Delhi 110003. And if you want to see what are those documents which you have to send, you have to visit the website www.sfio.nic.in and you have to go on what's new, and after that you have to open the recruitment and vacancy. Therein you will find the advertisement along with the other details. Whosoever is interested and is eligible, please apply. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.